We're here with In a Jam Towing and Speed Perspective. We're gonna be off-roading. Speed Perspective in the house.
What's up, guys? Thank you guys for coming down into my county. Today we're gonna be showing you the Canam. This is a 2021 Canam X3 or Maverick X3 Turbo RR RS. We got a whole bunch of letters. Very cool,
very cool. We have In a Jam Towing on the mini bike right now.
All right, just blow me off, I guess.
Post up.
What's up, In a Jam Towing? How are you doing today?
What's going on?
We're here with the Alien Ride Adam in Kern County at this off-roading trail. He's gonna be leading the way. I'm gonna go behind them. There's gonna be a lot of dirt. There he goes. Sheesh. Too many things going on. Too many things going on. This thing is perfect for off-roading. Oh! Gosh, I don't think I have enough power to go up there.
Oh, yeah. What's that pick you up? How do you get it? Is there any meeting want to ride along?
So easy on you.
Look, you got it, don't give up.
Dude, the talaria would have made it up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sickness. Bro.
I can go down that. I need a helmet though.
Give him the helmet, hurry up. Hurry up.
Dude, I can't. Watch out when you get down there, it gets bouncy.
Stand up when you get down there because those bumps.
The bumps are gonna hit you in the butt.
Dude, you asshole.
Dude, you hit your ass hard when you go down there. You go. Alright, your turn.
Full speed, go.
Full speed.
Full throttle.
Oh shoot! Hi, Joseph.
This one?
No, this.
I'm down.
You're down?
I'm down?
Okay, then do it.
Look, there's no bumps right here. Look, you go right here.
Oh, right there, yeah. Scary. This one looks
is, I
deeper.
can't see it. My eyes are so messed up.
You're not just making an excuse.
Give me the bike. Give me the bike.
Alright,
Speed Perspective death.
Oh my God, Joseph.
Dude. When you start going down, you put your feet down.
Oh my God.
Hit it. You'll make it up. You'll make it up. That's so hard, bro. I almost died. Dude,
Holy cow, bro.
Was that scarier than going down?
Hell yeah.
Look at oh my God. He needs to lift his leg though.
This guy's the most uncoordinated guy ever.
His
If it's not something that has 4 wheels, he's done.
He's done. He's done.
All right, time to roll out.
You can see him all the way over there on the bike.
Where?
Right there.
I was freaking smashing on that thing.
Were you?
Yeah, I was going like 20 the whole time. Dude, I was laughing the whole time.
Hey, this is Padre. Welcome, Padre. Padre, come on!
Hit that shit, compa!
We don't know how to turn it on.
Come through with the sauce!
It's the trail.
Get after it!
Let's see it.
He is amazing.
I know this guy's not going slow.
I almost crashed like 3 or 4 times.
Sheesh.
Look at that man!
Get off the ground.
Don't let go of the throttle!
That was full throttle, brother. All right, let's see it.
Let me see. Let me
All right,
see.
you got it.
Who put this man on baby mode? Andrini Bambini giving you the POV? Let's get it! Yeah, yeah!
Where are we going? Are you taking a whiz? Butt cheeks out and everything?
Too far. We're about to hit some trail riding right here. Look at
Sheesh.
this man.
It's raining a little.
It's raining, hallelujah.
He literally bought that truck right now for this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Andrea Bambini's video, that's it. Show me your nuts. How like crazy it is, like this man just like brings his only form of transportation to get back home and goes
When we have In a Jam towing with us, we don't got to worry about a thing.
Give us a shout out. In a Jam Towing. We're on all major platforms. Give us a review on Google, please. 5 stars only.
5 stars only.
5 stars.
We got In a Jam riding it now, testing it out. Shoot! Shoot! Almost. Backwards, backwards. Ow!
Alright, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Ah!
What'd you do?
I got my foot stuck on a tire.
Slide it, slide it, slide cancel. There you go. Running?
Yeah.
There he goes. There he goes. Honestly, I'm so surprised with this thing.
Harley from here.
Huh?
It's not that bad.
It looks like crazy from here.
Nah, it's not that bad.
No.
Big bolas. Oh yeah, that's a major speed.
Whoa.
Alright. Side by side with Monster.
That didn't feel like nothing.
This one's scarier than that one.
Huh?
You went up to like further, right up the green. See that
Did
green
I?
thing?
Where
Yeah,
did I
you
go?
went- You went, you didn't even go up. How come you went slower?
I don't want to scare her.
Okay, let's go faster.
That's in two.
No. It's too little spin. It'll... There's one that's smoother. I forget which one it is. Where's that? Oh.
Wait, where's Josh?
I think you can open up that one. To la Dizzy. Oh, sickness!
He actually made it. You keep
Watch
looking
out.
back as you're just small.
I know.
Dude, when I went up that long,
Do not go on the right side. Well, it's left from right here, bro.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my
oh my god! How did you pick up so much speed? Dude, let me try. I have to try that. How the hell did you do that?
Once I hit like the bottom of it, I thought the speed. I was like, oh, this isn't good.
You went from this like this. Oh! Oh!
You got it.
If we brought the Talaria, we could go through all of this no problem.
Almost took out perspective.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
And on that note, thanks for tuning in on Genie Bambini. We'll be back next week with another brand new video of more content.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Speed Perspective, thank you for the invite. We'll see you next time.
Anytime.
Thank you guys so much for watching. For sure, we're going to bring out the Talaria. It was a pleasure hanging out with Speed Perspective and Inner Jam Towing. We'll see you on the next video.